Did you get a home inspection or are you negotiating for one right now? Because you need one. Buying a house is a huge decision, and the home inspection is crucial for understanding what is beneath the home before you actually sign the dotted line. In this video, we're going to cover exactly what gets checked in a home inspection, what they cover, and how to navigate the home inspection process like a pro. I am Ben Campbell, and thank you so much for coming into my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get right into it. Okay, you can picture your home inspector like a detective, not like the clumsy Pink Panther type, even though Steve Martin is great. They actually meticulously examine every nook and cranny looking for clues. They check the backbone of the home, they check the foundation, the structure of the roof, quality of the overall home. They check the lifelines of the home, the heating and cooling systems, the plumbing, the electrical, to make sure that there are no issues. And they check the outside of the home, the gutters, the doors, the windows. Are they letting unnecessary or unwanted pests, germs, wind inside where you may not want it? Walls, floors, appliances, and sneaky signs of water damage. If, for example, they're on the roof, they notice something weird about the roof, that it's slightly aged and there's this one weird spot in the roof that looks like it could have been water damage or it could have some messed up part of the shingles, they're not going to fix that. They're going to say, this is what needs to happen. There's something wrong with the roof. And because you're probably in the middle of a transaction, you're going to get a roofer out there and you're going to see how much it would cost to fix the roof. And you're going to negotiate with the seller to see if the seller would pay for that roof damage. But Ben, why do we even bother with an inspection? It's just an unnecessary contingency, right? No, it's not. You need an inspection. Get an inspection. I mean, imagine you get no home inspection and the AC dies out a month later. You could have known that the AC was going to die out. You could have known that you had an AC from the 1950s that was going to die out any week. An inspection really helps you uncover hidden costs of the home that you really do want to know. And the inspection is letting you know what you're getting into. Even if it finds issues and you say, oh, I'm fine with those, then you know that you are gonna have to get a new roof in a year or two. It gives you peace of mind. It's not just the buyer that benefits from addressing the issues from the inspection or getting an inspection. It's really the seller too. The seller can then understand going forward, what are the issues in this home that's holding it back from being sold if you don't move forward. And if you do move forward, that's great. Because keep in mind that when you get an inspection, you find things that are wrong with the home, that doesn't guarantee that the seller is going to pay for it. The seller could stand really firm and say, this is the price of this home. I know it needs a new roof, it needs completely new electrical, but I am firm on this price. Right or wrong, they can do that. It's their home and they're looking to sell it. But on the positive side, the seller could say, okay, it's at this price and we know that we're gonna fix this roof for you and we're gonna get this electrical done, and we're gonna give you some extra money to get that fixed. The eagle eye version of the inspection process is really simple. You find an inspector, the inspector comes to your home or the home that you're looking at purchasing, inspects the entire inside out in the crawl space on the roof, everywhere that you can think of. Then soon after, the inspector gives you a report, a pretty lengthy report at that, where they point out specific instances where things could be problems or where things are good. Now, okay, remember, a home inspection is your inside look at knowing the home before you buy it. This is how you become a smart and confident buyer. Did you end up seeing the value of a home inspection when you bought your home? Comment in the comments below, and I would love to hear your story, how you buy your home or how you're looking to buy your new home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.